back with a wig review and tutorial. So I got this wig from Premium Lace Wigs. It came with a comb, butterfly clips, elastic band, hairpins, and it came with a wig cap. So this wig is a 10-12 inch, I can't remember the length, sorry, it'll be in the description box below, 12 inch Brazilian lace front wig, 180 density, has 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. This is the wig on me. So it's giving me really not Rick James, James Brown, very Cat Williams, very auntie at a church. So we gotta fix this. So obviously there's so many tutorials on how to bleach your knots. I'm not gonna tell you the ratio of everything, but I am bleaching the knots so it blends a lot better into my skin. So I pretty much pluck the hairline to give it more of a realistic look, and I separate the baby hairs. Also styled the wig on the mannequin head. I hot combed it, everything like that, so that way it's a lot easier for me to work with when it's on my head. So I already cut the lace off, and right now I'm just pinning my hair back, and I'm just going to be cutting around my ears so we have a sideburn effect that gives you more of a realistic look to your wig. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Got To Be glue spray, and I'm going to be spraying it on top of my lace. I tried a different method. Normally I spray it on my skin first and then I press the lace on top of it, but I decided to do something different. So I sprayed it on my lace, and then I used my comb to press it down. And right here I'm just using my fingers just to really press it down on both sides. And then I'm going to go back in with the comb to really press the lace in. And then sometimes I go in with my scissors. I just feel like it really pushes the lace in a lot more and blends a lot better. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the sides. I always like to start in the center and then I like to do the sides. So it's always good to lay your wig section by section. So these baby hairs are looking like some adult hairs, so I'm gonna cut them. Obviously I'm using my eyelash scissors to cut them because I don't know where my little shaver went. Is that what it's called? Yeah. And then I'm just gonna take some black hair gel and I'm gonna be swooping my baby hairs. Listen, I love baby hairs. That is my thing. Some of y'all may not like baby hairs. This is optional, but I want to do a swoopity swoop look. That's just a look I'm going for, so it is optional if you want to do it or not, but I like my baby hairs. And yes, I am using a toothbrush to swoopity swoop these hairs. Okay, so I wrap my baby hairs down so I can get them laying flat, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to use a flat iron to flip my hair. Okay, I got a new flat iron. This is not the new one, this is the old one, so it does not flip the hair well. Do not follow this step on how to flip your hair. I tried a thing, like one side flipped nicely and the other side just didn't flip nicely, but just take this with a grain of salt, okay? Don't come for me. I know my technique is not the greatest, okay? Now I'm just taking some black eyeshadow and I'm just going to define the part a little bit to make it a little bit more straight, because I feel like the part was a little bit too big. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite face powder and I'm just putting it on top of my lace just so it can blend into my skin a lot nicer. Okay, so I'm taking some mousse and I'm applying the mousse all over my hair, focusing on the top because I want it to be very flat. And then I'm going to go back in with the flat iron to flippity flip. Like, this side flips so nicely, but the other side is just like, it just doesn't want to flip. Like, look at, oh my god. But I eventually get it. I eventually get it to flip nicely. But like I said, take this with a grain of salt and don't come for me. The end product turns out really cute. Like, look at that. Look at that. and I beat my face. I was going for some sexy sultry look. This look is inspired by my favorite MUA, Momo Mitchell. All product details will be in the description box. I really love this hair. It looks very natural. It's short. It's not too full, and I like the hair a lot. I love the way I styled it and everything. It was just really easy. So yeah, this is my little 1-2 wig review and tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Do not come for me about my hair flipping ways. I will get better at it. I do have a new flat iron. I can't wait to show you guys. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.